Hello dear subscribers, I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you're not receiving messages on your messenger, Facebook Messenger, so how you can fix it? So for fixing first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just find here software update, just open it. Just if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, just scroll down in the general and just find shutdown. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so just try to update your messenger. Just go to app store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write messenger, and if you see here update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.